I'm just a man reaching out to God to make a plan and be safe from this hell. Broken hearts and broken bottles strewn across my bedroom floor. A list of regrettable thoughts leaving scars of the night before. Pull yourself together, get a foot out of the door. Realize you're a fuck up and don't wanna live like this anymore. Bring yourself to the bathroom mirror, see the devil you know. The demons racing circles in your mind you can't ignore. You wanna build yourself into a man who's nice to show, but your brain keeps eating you alive because you're unsure of what's instead of you. You can change, all you gotta do is try it. You can change, you can be an eagle fly. You can rise, hide away the pain, the scars are in the rain. Let the drops fill you with the pain of all the days you lay awake with thoughts of everything that made you so broken today. You can rise to be who you wanna be. You can pay whatever you wanna pay. I know it's hard when you praise in agony. You can rebel, you can fix the pain. All you gotta do is take the reins. A broken mirror lays strewn across the floor. You live in fear of becoming who you were before. The issues you face to make you broken this place. Stay your course and realize you own it. It's your life, cherish your light. So make it how you want it. Alright, break through the darkness. Repent the sins you haven't died with now. Broken skin, you tore apart from the pain of a life that fell apart. In time you'll learn to from the rage of the days you left behind, from the friends who used you over time, to the people who swore they'd stay but left. You can rise again, get back what you spent on people who couldn't give a shit. You can rise, hide away the pain, the scars lay in the rain. Let the drops fill you with the pain of all the days you lay awake with thoughts of everything that made you so broken today. You can rise to be who you wanna be. You can do anything. You can rise, hide away the pain, the scars lay in the rain. Let the drops fill you with the pain of all the days you lay awake with thoughts of everything that made you so broken today. You can rise to be who you wanna be.